An Indian residential school survivor family member brought a copy of Stephen Harper's apology, residential school apology, to one of the workshops. Her concept was to show physically how that particular apology, ultimately the people that were around her and other residential school survivors told her that the apology didn't mean anything. It doesn't really matter to them. So we decided to blow it up as big as we possibly could, and we burned it with cigarettes, and we dropped tea on it, and scratched it up, stepped on it, jumped on it, really made it look like it had been not cared for. And we placed it into the very back of the installation so that everybody could